Yeah, can you hear me well? Perfect. So, dear participants of Mountain Ecosystem and Resource Management, honorable speakers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to welcome you here to the opening of the Field Summer School on Mountain Ecosystems and Resource Management. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ievgeniia Kopytsia, and I am an associate professor of Yaroslav Mudriy National Law University, Ukraine, and a deputy editor-in-chief of the Journal of Environmental Law and Policy. And why I'm here, I will be a roundtable moderator today. On behalf of the organizers, Grassroots Institute, in partnership and cooperation with universities, research institutes, national parks, local councils, and public organizations from 21 countries around the world, I would like to extend my warm welcome to all the participants of the Mountain Ecosystems and Resource Management, being hosted for the first time in such an unusual online format. I would like to say a few words about the goals of the field school and the importance of it. Actually, the main goal of the field school is to build perspectives and capacities for young researchers, PhD students, teachers, field practitioners, and future leaders on regional mountain ecology, sustainable development, local livelihoods, and linking world climate by integrating principles of biologically inspired solutions. As you could have already seen from the site that has been elaborately prepared for you and for your comfort and usability, the theme of this school is of a great scientific and practical value. As it has been mentioned there, that the national ecosystems in mountain areas are crucial for the existence of the humankind. And this fact is definitely undoubtful. The program of school is to cover the context of mountain regions globally, including Himalayas, Alps, Andes, Rockies, Karakoram, Pamir, Carpathians, Caucasus, Mountain Kenya, and all the other mountain ecosystems. I am really optimistic that all the participants will acquire new skill and knowledge from the 10-day field program, and I would encourage all participants to take active part in the interesting discussions that are to be held during this period of time. And altogether, I hope that we will be able to reach the goal of ensuring sustainable mountain development. As I have already mentioned, the school is 10 days long with 9 technical sessions that are devoted to relevant topics of the mountain ecosystems and resource management. And today, it is the ceremonial opening of sessions and inaugural speeches that will be given by the guests of honors. On this occasion, I would like to invite Dr. Hasrat Arjjumend, who is the founder president of the Grassroots Institute Canada and the program director of the Summer Field School, to deliver his welcome speech. Dr. Hasrat, if you are ready, please.
Yes. Honorable guests, the faculty members, the participants, both delegate participants and the learner participants. I'm really very happy today that we have launched this program and we have realized that this program is happening finally. This program was conceived in 2019, and then initially we had been trying to do it in Ukraine, in Ivano-Frankivsk region. But because of the emergency of the COVID all over the world, so we couldn't do it, although we had selected 30 participants who were supposed to take part physically in Ukraine. We postponed it to 2021, But in this year as well, we had realized that it is also again not possible. So we decided to convert it into the virtual event. Although it became very difficult to do it virtually. So because pulling together so many people, many partners, and logistics, etc. This was a really difficult task. First of all, I would like to thank and I would like to acknowledge the various partners. There are 31 different universities and institutes and other bodies which are partnering as the organizing partner of this event, this program. And 35 are different NGOs, local councils, and national parks, etc. They have been collaborating as the collaborating organization. So bringing them all together was very challenging, but at the same time, it was very interesting to learn many things and to cooperate with them. So there are wonderful partners, wonderful collaborators who have contributed a lot. Without their contribution and without the contribution of many professors, many experts from different parts of the world and different parts of the expertise, without the help of all these people, so this program could not be realized. So on behalf of the Grassroots Institute, I am really very grateful to all of them. And at the same time, I'm thankful to all the delegates who will be contributing through their presentations over these 9 days, and various participants who have joined as the partners. So I will just briefly give one glimpse of this program very quickly, and I will shortcut my intervention, and I will give the space to all our all our guests of honors who will inaugurate different session groups. So as you would have been receiving different communications from our office and also from myself directly, you know that there are 66 partners and collaborators in this program belonging to 22 different countries, representing different continents, many continents. So this program will run over 9 days from tomorrow onwards, and there will be 3 sessions each day of average 3 hours. In some sessions, the time will be exceeding 3 hours, very little more than 3 hours. So this way there will be 27 sessions, and to conduct these sessions, we have requested different chairs and co-chairs who will be moderating these sessions. So as of now, 51 different persons have been contributing this way, although there are the 54 chairs and co-chairs. In addition to that, there would be about 117 different presentations by the delegates. So some people, few of them will not be able to join. Some of them have informed and some have not. So let us see what happens. So I believe that everybody, most of the people, like 95% people will join and they will present. About as of now, 98 experts and professors have confirmed their lectures. Only 2 lectures are still vacant and not confirmed by anybody. So we were expecting 100 experts this way. to deliver 109 different lectures. So this way, if we see the overall data, so these, the number of delegates as well as the learner participants, this goes about, this goes beyond 500, more than 500, 520, like almost 520. So these all people are belonging to 70 different countries. And I forgot that these experts and chair and co-chairs included, they are representing 37 different countries. So we can say that this program is truly global program. Although we had not very much planned this way, but initially, initially in 2019 when we launched it, but the global scene was in our imagination, and gradually it has become possible to be a global program with the participation of so many people from so many countries. So thank you to everyone. Thank you to all our guests and partners, collaborators, the faculty members, experts, etc. Now I have few announcements to everyone who will be staying with this event for next 9 days. So I have few things to say and discuss with you. And particularly, I am discussing it with the objective of seeking a cooperation and support from everybody. We have placed the information on the website. If you would have seen the information seriously, then the most of the critical information is just on fingertips. The moment you click the website opens with a small notice having the 2 links on the bottom of the notice. And these 2 links are very critical and only critical for keeping all entire information there. So if you open the program plan, click the program plan, and the program plan, the first day you will see that the list of the guests of honors who will be just in a short while will be inaugurating and giving the speech. So on each group, you will see on the right side, there are the 2 links. Suppose you are seeing the technical sessions group 2 or technical sessions group 3. So on the right side, you will see the 2 links. So these 2 links are, one link, the bottom link of that is of the chairs and co-chairs. So we have listed all the chairs and co-chairs. You can visit the page and you can locate them. The other link, which is on the top, right side on the top, that leads you to the session group, actually, the structure of the session groups. So suppose you are entering into the technical sessions group 2. So you will go to the page group 2. And there you will see 3 different technical sessions, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. And each technical session group, you will see the name of the chair, then name of the co-chair, then the name of the faculty members with their topic of the lecture. Thereafter, on the bottom, you will see the names and their topics of the presentations of different delegates. And the beauty of this page is that every person is linked with the profile. If you want to read about who is going to give the lecture, what is the profile of the lecturer or the faculty member, so you can easily go onto the page and then you can read about it. Simultaneously, we have put the 9 different files on the right side of each lecture. 9 different files. You will easily understand what files are those. Only the PPT is not attached because some of our faculty members had advised that it is not good to place the PPTs before the lecture happens. So once the lecture is over, So the PPT will be placed by the evening or the next day. So you will be able to download the PPT as well. So this is the structure of the program, and it is very easy to understand. Another feature is that there is a list of all the participants, both the delegates as well as the learner participants. So we have put this information on the website. And for the delegates, we have placed their profile as well there. Along with the profile, we have attached their paper if they have they had a, so we have put it, uploaded that there. And their PPT will also be uploaded once the presentation is over. So this is the entire structure of the program. So I think everyone who is participating in this event, in this program, and who wants to get this information, who want to know which lecture is important, or those who are the lecturers and the presenters, they can easily locate their session also, their time also. And as everybody knows, the time is in the Central European time zone. So you have to, you have to convert your local time using it is very easy to do. And we have also circulated the guideline to our faculty members, to our chairs, to the delegates. So we have tried to facilitate each and every information in a very easy way. But still there are certain queries, there are certain people asking the questions which we have already answered in our documents, in our body message of the email. But I mean, please, I think this was not necessary once the information is given and all. But you please, we just expect that different people will read the information and it is easy to find out the things. Only one thing I would now say is that whenever, because this is our large meeting package of the Zoom, so we are also handling this first time. So we are not very perfect in handling this large meeting in the Zoom. So please try to understand if particularly the speakers, I mean those who have the lectures today, I mean, suppose we have the persons having the lectures today or the presentations today. So we will give the status of co-host so that you will be able to use the mic and the video. Otherwise, the rest of the people will be kept centrally mute. So please, and we have already explained in the documents why we have done this. So because there will be a large gathering, so it will be difficult to handle the things if we give the access to everyone on the video and mic. So therefore, we have decided this, we keep the centrally muted. So I think I have consumed a lot of time already. Now it is 7 minutes before right now to start our, but we can start early also, 5 minutes early. What do you think, Doctor? I'm done. Okay.
I think